In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your PayPal name. If you need to update the name on your PayPal account, this is a very simple process, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. Just make sure you're signed in to the correct account before you begin, so you don't accidentally make changes in the wrong place. To get started, look at the top right corner of the PayPal screen and click the gear icon. This will open your account settings, which is where PayPal keeps the main options for managing your profile and personal details. If you're using a desktop browser, this icon is usually easy to spot near your profile area. Once you're in Settings, go to the Account tab. This section contains the core information tied to your PayPal account, including the personal details you may need to review or update. Take a second to make sure you're in the right section because the name change option will be found here. From there, click on Change Name. This is the option PayPal provides when you want to update the name currently shown on your account. Depending on your account type or the type of change you're making, PayPal may show you different instructions or ask for a little more information, so just follow what appears on your screen. Now enter your new name carefully. It's a good idea to double-check the spelling before moving on, since your PayPal account should match your real and current details as closely as possible. After entering the updated name, click Continue. On the next screen, review the information you entered and confirm the change. This final confirmation step is important because it tells PayPal to apply the update to your account. Once you confirm, your new name should be submitted successfully. And that's it. Your PayPal name has been changed. As a quick tip, if PayPal asks for additional verification, simply follow the prompts on screen and provide the requested details. In some cases, changes may take a little time to process, so don't worry if the update is not reflected instantly. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your PayPal account name quickly and easily.